future tightrope walker this morning.
Yeah, he's with some kids at the Super Gym in Sarasota where these girls are light on their feet. Hey, Charlie.
Yeah, Kids Super Gym. And we only have girls here this morning, but they've got a bunch of guys in the program here as well. Go ahead, Mackenzie, do your stuff. You're going to see ladies coming flying by us. Man, easy over there, Mackenzie. Make sure you stick the landing. That's my only advice as a gym coach. Stick the landing, ladies. Russell is here. Your family has owned Kids Super Gym here in Sarasota, Lakewood Ranch neighborhood for 10 years
10
now.
years, yep.
Congratulations. That's a big deal, actually.
Yep, huge deal. We're very excited. We're going to do a big party for everybody. And some other big news in the gym is that we just recently got engaged. And
Look at that.
Yeah, we're getting married December 29th. So
You had to remind them when the date was. Get used to that. Every year you got to remind them. That's great.
So,
A couple of coaches met here and fell in love.
Actually, Lauren was one of our first athletes, too. She was one of our first, and she's been here the whole 10 years. The funny thing is a lot of these kids that are in right now have been with us for a lot of the years, too.
Very nice.
So,
all right, well, Russell, tell me this. You've got one last camp as the summer winds down.
Yep, one more
starting
week.
Monday.
Correct.
Any level, like if I have a child who just really wants to try it out?
No, we have everything. I mean, a lot of our competitive kids come and train. They use it as training. We do a lot of games. We do gymnastics. We do an arts and crafts. But yeah, it starts at any level.
Okay,
I mean,
and you still have spaces for next week?
Yes, we still have spaces. It's been a very successful camp this year. It's been really good. We picked up some competitive kids, and that's the funny thing too is it can really spark the interest. It's a great way to get in and get a feel for gymnastics without committing all the way.
Exactly,
you know?
exactly. Because gymnastics can be expensive, and you want to kind of test it out first.
Our camps are so flexible. You can just do a half day. It's not like you have to commit to a full week or anything like that, you know? So you'll see people that just pick one half day in the summer or people that come the entire summer.
Yeah,
so it's very, very flexible.
All right, fantastic. We got a lot to tell you this morning. In fact, they're branching out into a new part of the business, starting to sell some of this actual equipment from the mats and the bars and all that sort of stuff. We're going to tell you about that, and we're going to talk specifically about some of these ladies, like Mackenzie right there, who has overcome great odds to flip and fly through the air. Stick around, everybody. It's Friday, so you know what that means. It's got to be a good day, Tampa Bay.